I will be sharing the recording today because yesterday I did not. Rather, today all the records, video records will be shared. It's already there. YouTube में डालने का है बस. Okay. So when we are discussing the effects of inflation, first quickly tell me, this is the main point. Inflation means increase in price. That you are agreeing. So what is happening to value of money?
Value of money decrease.
Perfect. Value of money decreases. Purchasing power also decreases. Purchasing power of money also decreases. That also you agreed. Now I am asking you, what about the farmer? Farmer will gain during inflation. What is the reason, children? Okay, the reason is farmer is able to fetch high price for his product. So he gets additional money. With that additional money, he will be able to repay his old debt. फिर हमने देखा, what about the middle class? Middle class will suffer. Okay, हमने देखा the people who are depending upon salary, people who are depending upon bank interest, housing loan, all those stuff. Everybody will, suffer. The fixed income group, because their income does not increase, but the price is increasing. As a result, common man suffer very badly. फिर अभी आप बोलना पड़ेगा, who is the debtor and who is the creditor? Debtor कौन है, children?
Borrow money.
Is the person who borrows money. Creditor is a person who is lending money. You are right. So debtor को क्या हुआ? He will gain during inflation, and debtor will lose the money because life cycle of the money changed a lot. Okay. So life cycle in the sense, when the creditor has given the money, if Mr. X has given money to Mr. Y 5 साल पहले, वो पीरियड पर वैल्यू ऑफ मनी कम था. बाद में 5 साल के अंदर इतना लेवल ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ गया. So the person who has given the money for free of interest, he started charging. Like the creditor, what is happening? Creditor is losing and the debtor is gaining. Why the debtor is gaining? Debtor is repaying the money whose value is less. Creditor is losing because he is getting the money whose value is less. 5 साल पहले 20,000 रुपया दे दिया, अभी वापस देने का टाइम पैसा का वैल्यू कम है, इसलिए डेटर को बेनिफिट है, लेकिन क्रेडिटर को लॉस है. Okay, now you have to tell me, this is a very important area, again I am telling you. Now you have to tell me whether we have ये आपका क्लास में हुआ है नहीं. हाँ, ये तो आपका क्लास में एक्सप्लेन किया, क्वांटिटी थियरी ऑफ मनी. MB is equal to PT. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is not explained. One class में explain नहीं किया. Okay. पहला. हाँ. Okay, I hope you can see. What we are going to explain
नो मैम, एक ही है पेज।
पेज एक है, अभी देख सकता है बराबर.
यस मैम।
So we are going to explain, even if it is explained, you can tell me. We are explaining quantity theory of money. The basic question arises, who has introduced quantity theory of money? That is Irving Fisher. Okay, Irving Fisher, he has explained IRVING. Question आएगा objective में, who has introduced quantity theory of money? Okay, that is introduced by Irving Fisher. Irving Fisher, and he has given a formula to show that what is the relationship between, or what is the quantity theory of money. It is also known as equation of exchange. ये देखो, Fisher has introduced an equation that is known as equation of exchange. ये देखो, quantity theory of money was used by economists to explain changes in the general price level. Okay, there are two components to the quantity theory. One is known as cash transaction approach. Other one is known as neoclassical cash balance approach. There are two approaches to the quantity theory. Okay, first one is given by Irving Fisher, that is known as cash transaction approach. Second one is known as cash balance approach. It is given by Cambridge group of economists. आपको मालूम है Cambridge is a world famous university in London. Okay, London का world famous university है Cambridge. Okay, so the first one is introduced by quantity theory as two components. One is the cash balance and the other is the cash transaction. Cash balance approach is introduced by Irving Fisher. Cash transaction or the cash balance approach has been explained by Cambridge economist. Now first we are explaining Fisher's equation, cash balance. Cash transaction approach. Cash transaction approach is introduced by Irving Fisher. Okay, Irving Fisher has developed a new version of quantity theory of money in his famous book, Purchasing Power of Money, in 1911. These are all the objective area questions. First, 1911 is not a very old year. It is comparatively new theory. And theory is introduced by, don't write again, it's not introduced by Keynes, it is introduced by Irving Fisher. And Irving Fisher has written a world famous book, Purchasing Power of Money. This book was published in 1911. So we are again emphasizing Irving Fisher has given an equation of quantity theory of exchange. Second point is it is introduced in the year 1911. And he has written a famous book, Purchasing Power of Money. Purchasing Power of Money, he has given an equation. That is, according to him, MB is equivalent to PT. Take down. M stands for quantity of money. M stands for quantity of money. M stands for quantity of money, V stands for velocity, P stands for price, T for volume of transaction. Children, what is the equation? MV is equivalent to PT. It's an important variable. M and P. बाकी जो variable है, they are the indirect variable. What does this theory says? Then, by the way, what is M quantity of money? Velocity of circulation याद होना चाहिए. What is velocity of circulation? इसको याद नहीं है, take down. The average number of times the currency move from one hand to other. The average number of times currency moves from one hand to other. Now what about MV? There is one concept. Money multiplied by velocity. Because money जितना बार economy में circulate होता है, वो मालूम पड़ने के लिए भी जरूरत है. For example, 100 rupees note, market में कितना बार transaction होता है. It's a difficult job, but that is the main factor. It is determining the money supply and the velocity of circulation of money. P is the price level, T is the volume of transaction. What is volume of transaction, children? It is the goods and services which is used by the people. Okay, so I am writing here MV is equivalent to PT. Therefore, what is P? P stands for price level. So P is equivalent to MV divided by T. I'm rubbing it off. It's a very simple theory. MV is equivalent to T. Therefore, T is equivalent to MV is equivalent to PT. P is equivalent to MV upon T. This is the equation. किधर से मिला? This is P. So ये से लेकर आया, T को नीचे लाया. P is equivalent to MV upon T. Now, what are we trying to explain? That's the main question. Fisher ने क्या explain करने का कोशिश किया? Fisher was trying to explain. This is important. There is a direct and positive relationship between price level and money supply. Fisher says that there is a direct relationship between price level and money supply, provided other things are remaining equal. So Fisher's equation is what? MV is equal to PT. Your question will arise, how can we calculate price? Because price is equivalent to, what is price? It is equivalent to MV divided by T. When money supply changes, price also changes. When money supply doubles, price also doubles. But the other things, they are depending on each other. So Fisher's equation of exchange. It's a very simple, very simple theory. MV is equivalent to PT, therefore, one minute, मैंने laptop में touch किया. Sure. P is equal to MV upon T. ये आपने देखा. When V and T remain same. ये देख. When P is when in the V and T are remaining the same, P changes with proportionately for a change in M. So what all variables are remaining constant? V and T. Then what is changing? When P is changing, M is also changing. If money supply is doubled, then price will also double. That is the theory. Direct relationship. When money supply doubles, price will double. When money supply become half, price will also become half. This is the general theory. Very, very easy theory. Latest within 2 lectures we will finish economics portion. उसके बाद जिसको एफसी का चैप्टर क्लास में पीपीटी बनाने के लिए बोला है कोई लोग नेक्स्ट वीक में थर्सडे या फ्राइडे तक रेडी होने दो. ओके, प्लीज रिमेम्बर. आई हैड आस्क्ड यू नो एफसी में 2 टॉपिक दिया है एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. वो थोड़ा तैयार करके बैठो. आने वाला वीक, आने वाला नहीं, ये वीक में तो इकोनॉमिक्स खत्म हो जाएगा. आने वाला वीक में मंडे या ट्यूसडे वगैरह. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
good. 1 minute. I will share. This is okay. Only one more theory is there that easily we can teach. I'll share that sentence.
मैम मेरा फॉर्म नहीं भरा रहा है, क्या करूं?
कौन सा फॉर्म?
वो यूनिवर्सिटी का फॉर्म सर ने जो दिए थे ना, मैं डेट ऑफ बर्थ डाल दी, मेरा रॉन्ग आ रहा है. मैंने कितने बार ट्राई किया, नहीं हो रहा है.
बाकी फ्रेंड्स, बाजू में कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है माय डियर गर्ल. सब दिन ने फील किया है और मैंडेटरी है वो. हाँ, बिफोर आई फॉरगेट, टुडे आल्सो यू आर अवेयर 2 o'clock देयर इज अ Zoom मीटिंग. आपने देखा होगा. What is that meeting is for? Meeting is because there is compulsorily we have purchased a new software which is used by all the colleges in Mumbai. So आपका name and photo and all that has to be uploaded and you have to register yourself. How to do that and more things. It will be told in the meeting. Attendance is compulsory. Okay, अभी attendance share करते हैं, वो किधर ही देखते हैं. आप कॉलेज में जाकर ऑफिस में पूछो बिकॉज वो फिल करना कंपलसरी है.
यस मैम, हाँ जाना पड़ेगा कॉलेज.
हाँ. कुछ भी डाउट होने पर कॉलेज में जाइए. I have shared that attendance. Did you complete? Thank you, children.